Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken Rod passive with an easy method. This item's passive is a game changer, providing a burst of true damage on every third attack you land. It's designed to shred through even the toughest opponents, making you a formidable force. We'll cover the simple steps to consistently activate this powerful effect, ensuring you get the most out of your item in every engagement. Let's dive in. The core of the Kraken Rod passive lies in its simple trigger. Every third basic attack you land will unleash a burst of true damage. This means after 2 successful hits, your next attack becomes supercharged. It's crucial to maintain your attack rhythm to keep the counter going. If you pause for more than about 2.5 seconds, the count resets, so continuous engagement is key to maximizing this effect. For an easy method in combat, simply focus on maintaining a steady stream of basic attacks. Don't overthink it, just keep hitting targets. Whether it's a minion, a monster, or an enemy champion, each hit builds towards your powerful third strike. Once your passive is ready, quickly pivot to your primary target, like an enemy carry or a tank, to deliver that devastating true damage. This consistent pressure adds up quickly. To truly maximize your damage output, try to weave your abilities between your basic attacks. This allows you to trigger the Kraken Rod passive more frequently while also casting your spells. For example, after 2 basic attacks, use an ability, then follow up with your empowered third attack. This synergy creates massive burst damage. Also, remember to use the passive for efficient farming, clearing camps in just a few hits, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.